Hi, my name is Rick.
My name is Blanca.
Hi, I'm Lori Love.
Hi, my name is Janisha.
I've been seeing Dr. Mathur now for a little over 10 years. I think I first began seeing her when I was about 63, 64. I'm 75 now. And I continue to see her and stay on a maintenance program so that I could assure that I have good health and also maintain a quality of life and high energy.
I started coming in since 2017. I stopped for a while, got really bad, and realized I needed to come back, which I came back in 2018, and I haven't stopped since.
I've been seeing Dr. Mathur for the past 5 years. I came to her and with a diagnosis of fibromyalgia and recovered from that with her. Also recovered from heavy metal toxicity, and I couldn't be happier.
I'm a patient of Dr. Mathur's. I first started seeing her in 2010 and was diagnosed as hypothyroid. I continued to see her till about 2019 and then got busy with life and kind of disappeared for a while. I came back recently in December and to kind of sort out some new symptoms, mainly depression and anxiety. I had a child and that kind of threw my hormones out of whack, and also some other thyroid symptoms, and in just 5 months I feel like a totally different person in a very positive way, so I'm very grateful.
I have thyroid issues, and I kept going to the doctor, and my thyroid levels were normal. They would tell me they were normal all the time, but I was still feeling everything. I was feeling pain in my joints, everywhere in my body. I had really bad digestion. I couldn't digest food, bloating, and I tried different medications, and once Dr. Mathur got me in the level of medication I needed, I started feeling great. Now I don't see myself going back to regular medication. That's why I'm here bothering her again. When I tell them that I'm not feeling well, they either tell me it's my weight, and if it's not my weight, they tell me it's your emotional state. You're depressed. Maybe you need a therapy or you need an antidepressant.
It's kind of funny because I felt like I was 900 years old when I first saw her and didn't know where I was going to end up. And here I am thriving now that I've completed all my treatment programs and successfully am who I am today, healthy and happy and doing perfect. But I still see Dr. Mathur. I believe, with her guidance, healthy maintenance is so important. And, as we're aging, we do need to take care of ourselves. It is extremely important to take care of your body, especially in this environment, what we're going through in the world. So this is what I do. I have no more diagnoses anymore, and I am enrolled in her healthy aging program, and I couldn't be happier. There's a funny story though. I'm 46 years old, and I'm a filmmaker. I was working on set one day. I was out of wardrobe and showed up as my producer self, and people didn't recognize who I was. They thought I was a teenager walking around. So if you've heard something like that, it'll just make your day, your year, your life. So thank you. Thank you, Dr. Mathur.
The staff here are incredibly caring, compassionate. They really are deeply concerned about your progress. They are very responsive. If I have any concerns, they jump on it. They reach out to Dr. Mathur if I need it. They're lovely. She has a great team here. Dr. Mathur is feisty and strategic, and asks the right questions to kind of really hone in on what the issues are, both physical and spiritual, emotional. So she really seems to address the whole person. And because I've been here
great. I love Dr. Mathur. Now they have a really good nurse, which I really like, and Sam in labs is great also. So I'm happy.